So today we're going to do a tour of all 4 elevators at the Jefferson Street Parking Garage in Wausau, Wisconsin. Here's the main big elevator. We're going to go up to 5, and this one's scenic. And then we'll get a machine room right there. Okay, I know where it is, but we'll go up. And we're starting underground, and this time we'll take a look at the window. Oh, that button's faulty. That's too bad. The lantern's burnt out, and then we'll go back down to LL. Oh, doors closed does not work, unfortunately. There's LL. Now we're gonna go back up to 5 again. That button, you have to mash it in order for it to go through. That is not good. See, I had to press it like a bunch of times. Unfortunately, the fan's on, but it kind of drowns out the motor. I feel like they should have gone with vandal-resistant fixtures. This elevator is worn out. It's only like 19 years old. We're gonna send this one up to 5, exit out, and we're gonna listen to this awesome machine room. Listen to this. This is gonna be epic. Oh my gosh, that is epic. But now we're gonna go ahead to the next elevator. So see you guys then. So we're at the Jefferson Parking Garage, or Jefferson Street Parking Garage in Wausau. This one doesn't go to the basement, but it's another MT, just a lot smaller. I can't find the machine room, but I'm assuming it's this. It's just not labeled. And here's the annunciator. Jefferson Street Parking Garage, all normal. Oh, well, it's gonna be here in a sec. And it's here at street level. This is the most vandalized part of the garage. There's a camera. Here it is. Alrighty, there's the lantern. Installed in April 2003. That phone, what in the world? We'll look out the window right now. That button sticks. Look at that. Can you see that? It's stuck. It's weird. Now we're gonna go back down to street level. Your street level. This one doesn't have a very epic machine room, so I won't get that on video. Send up to 5 again. That's fire service. Door close. Does not work, which is typical for your Schindler. We'll go up to 5. Go back down to SL, and I changed my mind, and I'll actually do a machine room because when the guy went up, it was kind of epic. So there's the lantern. Here's street level. We'll send this up to 5 and get out and do the machine room. Alright. Now let's listen to this machine room. I think this is it. I couldn't find it anywhere else. So it's going up now. That was epic. So, this is it for this MT at Jefferson Street Parking Garage, Wausau, Wisconsin. Now we can move on to the next one. Alright, so, I just noticed the call button's mounted upside down, which is weird, but this is another elevator at the Jefferson Street Parking Garage. The Skywalk elevator over there, tried everything, it's locked, so, look at this call button. Okay. This one's interesting, how the call button's mounted. Again, non-vandal resistant fixtures. Again, also wearing out. This one is epic. Slightly low in oil it looks, but whatever. Here's street level. We'll go up to 5. This one has got to have an epic machine room. Door close doesn't work. Oh shoot, forgot to look at the indicator. Sorry about that. It takes a while to level. Nothing really special about the cabs, just your basic Schindler stainless steel cabs. Look at the machine room, which is all the way over here. Listen to this. So that's it for the tour of the elevators at the Jefferson Street Parking Garage in Wausau, Wisconsin.